Good day to everybody. My name is Alphonse. I am thrilled to share my outstanding experience at Zamindar Microsurgical Eye Center in Bangalore. From the moment I stepped into the facility, I knew I was in good hands. The entire team, led by esteemed Dr. Zamindar, Chief Medical Director, demonstrated unparalleled expertise, compassion, and dedication to providing top-notch eye care. The center's multidisciplinary team, specialists including Dr. Pramod, cataract specialist, Dr. Katyayani, medical superintendent, and Dr. Nazia, surgeon and comprehensive ophthalmologist, work seamlessly together to ensure that I receive the best possible treatment. Their collective expertise and commitment to excellence are truly impressive. The nurses and staff at Zamindar Microsurgical Eye Surgery deserve special mention for their exceptional kindness, professionalism, and attention to detail. They made me feel comfortable and at ease throughout my treatment journey. What struck me most was the entire center's efficiency and organization. The entire process from consultation to procedure to follow-up was meticulously planned and executed. The administrative staff handled the financial aspects, including insurance, with ease, ensuring a hassle-free experience. I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to the entire team at Zamindar Microsurgical Eye Center for the treatment I received. Their tireless effort to provide outstanding patient care as one of the best eye care centers in Bangalore. If you or a loved one require eye care, I highly recommend Zamindar Microsurgical Eye Center. You can trust that you will receive world-class treatment, compassion, and care from a treatment of exceptional professionals. Will I recommend Zamindar Microsurgical Eye Center? Absolutely. Will I return for future eye care needs? Without hesitation. Thank you.